In this concept, we're going to talk about the zero product property. And the zero product property is basically a tool to help us solve a certain class of algebraic expressions. Okay, so the zero product property states that for any real numbers a and b, if a times b is equal to 0, then either a equals 0, b equals 0, or both a and b are equal to 0. Okay, let's see how this can be useful in solving certain algebraic expressions. So here's an example. We have x minus 2 in parentheses, and then times x minus 3 in parentheses equals 0. So if we apply the zero product property here, excuse me, we can say that either x minus 2 by itself is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0, or both are equal to 0. In which case we get x minus 2 equals 0, so that gives x equals 2. That is one solution to this equation. Or x minus 3 equals 0, giving x equals 3. That is another solution to this equation. So the solution set is indeed 2 and 3. Okay, here's another example. Solve x squared equals 5x. So if we bring the 5x to this side, right, we have x squared minus 5x equals 0, in which case we can factor out the x here. So we have x times parentheses x minus 5 equals 0. And again, now we have two parts to the expression. We have the x and we have the x minus 5. The x can be 0 by itself, or the x minus 5 could be 0, in which case we have x equals 0 or x equals 5. So the solution set is 0 and 5. Both of these will solve this equation, giving a true solution. Okay? Now we have some exercises. Please pause the video, work on these, and come back for the solutions. Okay, so first we have x plus 3 times x minus 2 equals 0. So x plus 3 equals 0, or x minus 2 equals 0. So here we have x is minus 3 and x is equal to 2. So my solution set is equal to minus 3 and 2. Okay? Next we have x minus 1 times x plus 5 equals 0. Again, very straightforward. X minus 1 equals 0, or x plus 5 equals 0. X is equal to 1, or x is equal to minus 5. So the solution set is minus 5 and 1. Next we have y squared is equal to 10y. So by subtracting 10y from both sides, we have y squared minus 10y equals 0. We can factor out the y. So we have y times y minus 10 equals 0, which gives y equals 0, or y minus 10 equals 0, which gives y equals 10. So my solution set is equal to 0 and 10. Okay? Lastly, we have m squared equals 7m. Again, we can do the same thing as number 3. So we have m squared minus 7m equals 0, which gives m times m minus 7 equals 0, which gives m equals 0, or m minus 7 equals 0. So m equals 0 or m equals 7. So my solution set is equal to 0 and 7. Okay, and this is it for this concept. See you in the next video.